I love the event so much and there's so much to do. There's face paint, dressing up, food, there's lots of different things and they're all really fun.
I really liked the face paint. It was really fun and I really enjoyed it.
I like getting changed into this outfit, doing my hair,
making a really cool bracelet,
and also the party. There's lots of different things about the designer dolls. They have lots of different clothes, you can do their hair, and they're just really nice.
My favourite thing about Designafriend is that there's like so much things to choose from, and there's like so many dresses, and like just dress them up, and I just love Designafriend.
I like that their hair is soft and you can change their clothes.
I would love to come to another VIP event. Hope to see you soon. Bye!